wish I was a tree. Big old branches, yes, big old leaves. You can come and sit right under, climb me if you're feeling fun. I wish I was a creek, one that's winding, yes, one that's deep. I would let you just skip your rocks now, baby, won't you drink me up? Pretty soon I know the pain, it's gonna come on strong all night long, but I do it, yes I do it, you know I do it again. Well, hi there pluckers, I've Sore Fingers again with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. It's a song from a lady called Ferrell, and it's a song called I Do It Again. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Ferrell does it, okay? She normally does it along with a mandolin player and a double bass player. It's a sort of little trio sort of thing. And it's a sort of a jazzy sort of country sort of feel to it. It's quite a unique style she has, okay? So let's get to it. So starting off with an F sharp major bar chord if preferable. Don't have to do a bar chord, but it sounds better if you do, I think. So F sharp major bar chord, 2nd fret, and we're doing 8 downstrokes. Okay, so it's with a little skip in the middle. It's like on end 4. A quick upstroke on after the 4th one, and then another 4 downstrokes. Yeah. And it's important to get that sort of staccato feel to it. So you need to, when you've done the downstroke, you immediately release the pressure on this fretting hand, okay, and then put it back again, and that kills the strings dead. So you get a very staccato strum. Okay, so it's strum, hold the chord, strum, immediately release the pressure with this left hand. If you're doing it left-handed, of course, if you're like me, and then put it back again, put the pressure back, and then do another downstroke, and then just repeat the process, and you'll get that staccato type feel to it. So 8 downstrokes on that. Then you go to a B minor, hold the bar on the 2nd fret, minor shape, B minor, and 4 times on this. Again, release the pressure after each one. And then we go up and do 4 on a D minor chord, 5th fret bar, minor shape, 4 more downstrokes, releasing the pressure in between. Okay, and that's the first half of the intro. Again, if you don't do bar chords, then an F shape on the 2nd fret, 4 down to 1. Again, what I'm doing is I'm releasing the pressure after each downstroke. Release the pressure, then push it back down again. Okay, so that's the easier fingering way, okay, if you don't like bar chords. Right, so let's do, after you do that, we go into the second part, which I'll just show you now. This bit coming up. Okay, so what am I doing there? So it's a lazy A to start with. I'm barring the 2nd fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with my 1st finger. 5th string, the A string open, and I'm playing really 5 down to 2. And what you do is you hit that, so downstroke, little pause, and you hit it again, downstroke. And then immediately after the 2nd downstroke you put this 3rd finger up to the 4th fret on the 5th string. Okay, so go. Try and hit that on its own. If you hit the 4th string as well, it doesn't matter too much. Okay. Then you go to the D chord and do 2 downstrokes on the D chord. So go. Okay, and you do that sequence twice, to the A to the D, A to the D twice. So far we've got this slowly. So that's what we've got. And to finish it off, we do another A up to that point. So you do 2 downstrokes, then you put that 3rd finger up to the 4th fret of the 5th string. But instead of going to the D, we do that. Open bottom E string, 2nd on the bottom E string, 4th on the bottom E string, open, and then we go into the A chord. Okay, standard A chord. So it goes. You can do that if you want to do that. A string, E string, sort of that sort of thing. If you want to do that, or just play the A chord, whichever you feel fits best. Okay, so the whole thing, the whole intro. And then we're into the song. The song is very simple. It's just A, D and E chords. Okay, so it's wish I was a D tree. A, the big old branch is D. There's a 3. A, you can come and eat, sit right under A, da E and A. And that's the verses. All the verses play the same way. So it's wish I was a tree. The big old branches, yes, big old leaves. You can come and sit right under, climb if you're feeling fun. Second verse exactly the same, okay? I wish I was a creek, one that's winding, yes, one that's deep. I would let you just skip your rocks, but baby, won't you pick me up? Right, so A to E to A on the end there, right? A, wish I was D, creek, back to A, one that's winding, D, yes, that's deep. A, would let you E, skip your rocks, A, baby, won't you E, down to A. Okay, that's just, all the verses play exactly the same. Then we go into the chorus, which is basically the intro again, really, but it's simpler, it's played simpler, it's just chords. Okay, so then it goes into the F sharp. Yeah, sorry, it goes. Pretty soon I know the pain. B minor, that's wrong. D minor, da da. We've got A to D. I do it, yes I do it. A to E to A. So it goes F sharp. Pretty soon I know the pain is gonna. B minor. D minor all night long. A to D, I do it. A to D again, yes I do it. A, E, A. More verses, more choruses, exactly the same for the rest of the song. Okay, there you have it all. Okay, and at the end, the very last one where it goes, yes, yes I do it, yes I do it, yes I do it again. E, A. If you want to finish the song, just as a quick E to A on the end. Yes, I do it again. Bum, bum. Okay, just to end it like that. Okay, so there you have it, all the parts present and correct. So, thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed that. Nice, simple one for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.